stop scrolling. Did you know nature hides secrets more shocking than science fiction? Let's dive into 10 natural wonders that will absolutely blow your mind. First up, picture a beach at night, but instead of dark sand, the shoreline glows with an eerie, beautiful blue light. This isn't a special effect. It's bioluminescence. Tiny organisms called dinoflagellates, a type of plankton, emit this light when they're disturbed by waves or your footsteps. It's like walking on a sea of stars, a truly magical experience found in places like the Maldives and Puerto Rico. Imagine dipping your hands in the water and seeing them sparkle with living light. It's a breathtaking display that shows just how alive our oceans are, turning a simple beach walk into an otherworldly adventure. The science behind it is fascinating. It's a chemical reaction, a defense mechanism for these tiny creatures, but the result is pure, unfiltered magic. Now, let's travel from a glowing ocean to a vast sea of sand. When you think of the Sahara Desert, you probably picture endless dunes and scorching heat, right? But what if I told you that just 6,000 years ago, this entire area was a lush green rainforest? It's true. Scientists have found evidence of ancient riverbeds, pollen from tropical plants, and even rock art depicting giraffes, crocodiles, and people swimming. This green Sahara was a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Climate shifts caused it to transform into the world's largest hot desert, a powerful reminder of how dramatically our planet can change over time. It's a mind-bending thought. Under all that sand lies the ghost of a jungle. From the ground to the sky, our planet puts on a spectacular and powerful light show every single day. We're talking about lightning. You might see a storm once in a while, but globally, lightning strikes the Earth over 8 million times per day. That's about 100 strikes every single second. These massive electrical discharges are hotter than the surface of the sun and carry immense power. While they can be dangerous, they also play a crucial role in our planet's chemistry by helping to create nitrogen compounds that fertilize the soil. So next time you see a flash of lightning, remember you're witnessing one of the millions of electrical events happening on Earth that very day, a constant energetic pulse of nature. Ready for something that seems to defy the laws of nature? Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, there's a river that literally boils. The Xene Tempishka, or the Boiling River, reaches temperatures up to 93 degrees Celsius, hot enough to cook any animal that falls in. For centuries, it was a local legend, thought to be a myth, but it's very real. Unlike other hot springs heated by a nearby volcano, the source of this river's heat is geothermal, coming from deep within the earth itself. The local shamans consider it a sacred place, and it's easy to see why. The steam rising from the water, the lush jungle surrounding it's a mysterious and powerful location that reminds us of the immense heat and energy churning just beneath our feet. Have you ever seen the movie Avatar and marveled at the floating Hallelujah Mountains? Well, their inspiration is a real place on Earth, Mount Roraima. This massive flat-topped mountain sits on the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its sheer cliffs rise thousands of feet into the sky, and its summit is almost always shrouded in clouds, making it look like it's floating. It's one of the oldest geological formations on the planet, and its isolated plateau is home to unique species of plants and animals found nowhere else in the world. It's like a lost world, a real-life island in the sky. Climbing it is an epic adventure, and standing on top feels like you stepped into a fantasy novel. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. It helps me create more amazing videos for you. Next, let's take a dip in a sea where you can't sink. The Dead Sea, bordering Jordan and Israel, is one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth. It's nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean. This extreme saltiness makes the water incredibly dense, which means you can float on its surface effortlessly. You can literally lie back, read a book, and just bob along. The high mineral content of the water and mud is also famous for its therapeutic properties, drawing visitors from all over the world. But it's that surreal feeling of weightlessness, of being held up by the water, that truly makes it a natural wonder. It's a bizarre and fun experience that feels like you're defying gravity. Now, let's journey to the coldest place on Earth, Antarctica. It may look like a barren wasteland of ice, but it's hiding a huge secret. Beneath its massive ice sheets, which are miles thick in some places, there are hundreds of hidden lakes. Lake Vostok, one of the largest, has been sealed off from the rest of the world for millions of years. Scientists are incredibly excited about these subglacial lakes because they could contain unique ecosystems with microbial life that has evolved in complete isolation, in total darkness and extreme cold. It's a hidden world under the ice, a frontier for scientific discovery that could teach us about life on other planets. It shows that even in the most inhospitable environments, nature finds a way. Let's warm up a bit and head to the lungs of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. This colossal jungle is so vast it spans 9 countries, and it plays a vital role in keeping our planet healthy. The Amazon produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. Think about that, one in every 5 breaths you take is thanks to this incredible rainforest. It's home to millions of species of plants, insects, and animals, many of which are still unknown to science. The sheer scale and biodiversity are staggering. The Amazon isn't just a collection of trees. It's a complex living system that regulates climate, stores carbon, and sustains an incredible amount of life. It's a true global treasure we must protect. For our next wonder, we're going underground into a real-life crystal palace. In a mine in Mexico, there is a cavern known as the Cave of Crystals. It's filled with gigantic selenite crystals that are some of the largest ever found on Earth. Some of them are over 36 feet long and weigh as much as 55 tons. Walking among these massive, translucent pillars is like stepping onto another planet. The cave is incredibly hot and humid, making it dangerous to explore for long, but the sight is simply unbelievable. These crystals grew over hundreds of thousands of years in mineral-rich water, creating a subterranean wonderland that looks like Superman's Fortress of Solitude brought to life. Finally, let's look to the northern skies for one of nature's most dazzling performances, the Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis. This celestial ballet of green, pink, and purple light dancing across the night sky is an unforgettable sight. But what causes it? It's a cosmic collision. Energetic particles from the sun, carried on the solar wind, travel millions of miles to Earth. When they hit our planet's magnetic field, they are funneled towards the poles and collide with atoms in our atmosphere. These collisions excite the atoms, causing them to glow. It's a direct connection between the sun and our planet, a beautiful silent light show powered by solar storms. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. Mind blown? Nature is full of mysteries and wonders that are even stranger and more beautiful than fiction. Hit subscribe and share this with your friends so they can see how amazing our world is. Thanks for watching.